Hey there, good afternoon and welcome back. I'm meteorologist Julia Kwedi. So it's feeling like summer yet again for us here in the coastal bend. That strong ridge of high pressure is now changing our weather conditions from having rainfall in the forecast like we did yesterday to now looking at pretty much oppressive heat and humidity that's going to be starting to dial its way back into our area beginning this afternoon. Right now, taking a look at our live Sand Dollar City sky cam over in Port Aransas. Have some folks out there taking advantage of these summer-like conditions and heading out towards our coastal beaches. So just make sure if you do go ahead and do that, wear that SPF and still continue to practice heat safety, because across the coastal bend, air temperatures are reaching toward those 90s or those triple digits for areas that are further out west, but all of us are feeling like the triple digits nonetheless across the area. Corpus Christi sitting at 91 degrees, feeling like 103, 90 over in Beeville with a feel like temperature of 97, 87 over in Port Aransas, feeling like 98 degrees at this hour. We do have a decent enough breeze coming in though from the southeast. You can see those winds kind of ranking anywhere between the lower teens or towards the upper teens. Faster wind speeds being clocked right now over in Beeville at 18 miles an hour. Looking at mostly sunny skies, that's of course going to add towards that summer-like heat that is in place across the area. Now getting a closer look at our temperatures over in Flower Bluff. We can see again, temperature is going to be a tiny bit cooler. You're a little bit closer towards the coast, so offering a little bit of relief thanks to those southeasterly winds. So our air temperatures in those areas in that neighborhood of Flower Bluff mostly reaching towards those upper 80s. But again, just remember, those feel like temperatures are going to still be at least in towards the upper 90s or those triple digits. But thankfully, those will start to calm down over for us over the next few hours. By tonight, 9 o'clock, still feeling like the lower 90s, but then falling towards the upper 80s overnight. Ahead for tomorrow, Wednesday, pretty much the same conditions that we're having this afternoon is going to be ahead for us on our Wednesday. Still going to see those temperatures reaching towards those triple digits ahead for us on your Wednesday afternoon. So heat risk is now part of the conversation yet again for us, because we are going to see those dangerous ranges of those feel like temperatures reaching towards the middle triple digits for us across the area. So today, a little bit of a mixture, anywhere between a minor, moderate, or major risk for heat danger in the forecast today. Bit of a worse picture ahead for us tomorrow, with all of us going to be in that moderate to major risk for heat danger. That major risk, of course, as you can see, is mostly regulated to areas that are further inland, so nearby Cotulla as well as Freer. So all of us are going to be looking at dangerous heat ahead for us for tomorrow. That's going to extend as well over the next few days. So heat and humidity, that's just going to be a part of the conversation right now as relates towards this dangerous heat that's going to be in place. And then when our rain chances come in ahead for the latter half of this week and toward this upcoming weekend, of course, moisture, rainfall, humidity, that kind of goes hand in hand. So we'll still kind of be in that oppressive range even when our rain chances do begin to uptick a bit as we head towards the latter half of this week. But right now, this is what's giving us the weather pattern that we're in the moment with the strong ridge of high pressure. That's what we're seeing now. Mostly sunny skies, less cloud cover compared to yesterday, and now plentiful sunshine and a dangerous heat right now that is currently in place. But ahead for us towards the end of this week, start to see a little bit more green coming back to the map with that batch of tropical moisture that's going to push its way into the area. And that's what's going to help us out with our rain chances that will extend towards this Friday and even towards this upcoming weekend. So looking at our 6 to 10 day outlook, we're looking at likelier wetter conditions coming to the forecast for us here in South Texas. So right now, rain chances look pretty promising beginning on Thursday. And again, that's going to extend to the early part of next week.